Son, even a thief can change his ways if he wants to.
I think I finally get it.
Good, now go do right.